My name is Hakil. Today I am going to show you advanced English animal expression for daily life conversation. So here we start from this: a wolf in a sheep's clothing. Its means seems like gentle and kind, but the fact is totally different and opposite of the character. So here is it example. So politicians are wolf in the sheep's clothing. It means they are pretending to be kind and gentle, but the fact is totally different, opposite from the character. So the first one is the elephant in the room. It means a problem that is ignored as it cause embarrassment of conflict. So here is the example of it. Abrupt separate of coronavirus people are dying in a huge amount, cause serious effect on country's economy and reputation. The whole situation is elephant in the room. It means no one are discuss about this problem. This causes embarrassment to the companies to the country's economy and reputation. So we are gonna to the next expression. So here is it: hold your horses. It means expression that telling to stop and consider their decision about something. It means we need to think twice about our decision, what we're gonna do next. So here is it example. Every phase of dealing with this COVID-19 outbreak, leaders should be hold their horses for a proper right decisions, because this is a pandemic. So we are gonna next to this one trick pony. It means a person only known for a one ability or good quality. It means a person has only one quality, that's why he is known for his one quality. That this is used for a negative point. So here is it example. Bella said to me, I know only English. No, I am not a one trick pony. I am a multilinguistic. It means the person, the Bella says to someone he has only one knowledge of English language, but he knows multi language of. That's why he is multilinguistic. He is not a one trick pony. So here is we gonna next a pig headed. It means a person who is stupidly stubborn and refuse to listen or change his opinion. So here is it example. The kid is pig headed just because he doesn't listen their parents. It means the kid is totally stubborn and don't want to listen their parents advice, and he want to do whatever he wants to do. So we are gonna to the last expression of this video. So results out of something. So here is it meaning: to avoid doing something by finding a sneaky or dishonesty of running away from it. It means uh, someone is trying to sneaking of doing something. And here is it example. For playing games with friends, Raju always sneaking way out of doing household chores. It means he don't want to do something for his desire, and someone he don't want to do something, he just he don't want to do something, act upon like someone's advice, he just want to do whatever he wants. So thanks you guys, bye. This is all about, that's it.